Hi guys, I was gifted this LifePo LP16 battery from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. I'm going to install it in my lawnmower. Let's go ahead and open it up and check out what's inside. Alright, it has an Allen's wrench and 2 nuts. Alright, here's the battery, and we have the positive side and the negative side. It also has multiple spots, so you have positive on 2 spots if you need it, and negative on 2 spots. It also has a push button that will tell you the voltage on it. So that's kind of cool. If you're ever wondering if your battery's dead or not, just push that little LED and it'll tell you. So, I don't have the right one there, but. Okay, I'm gonna go outside and install it in my lawnmower and show you how I do it. Okay, this is my old battery. I'm replacing these, you know, you have to replace all the time and constantly mess with the water and the acid and stuff in it. So I like this new one that you don't have to worry about that maintenance. So I got the old battery out, and you can see this new battery comes with like these pads, so you can it'll like fit in your compartment because it's a little bit smaller, so it'll help like shield it from vibrations and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the wires now. Okay, I got it all hooked up. It was really easy to install. Like I said, it came with the Allen wrench and the screws. So let's go ahead and start this thing up. Started right up. Hey guys, if you need a battery for your lawnmower, go ahead and get this one. There's no maintenance or anything with it. Doesn't have like the water you got to put in like the regular batteries. This LifePo lithium battery is going to last a long time, a lot longer than those standard batteries. So if you guys need a battery for your motorcycle or lawnmower or whatever you need, this one's going to be great for you. Thanks.